Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, this is Chris and Naomi from Ashriver Woodworks. We're at our new location, 1254 Commercial Street here in Astoria. Please come say hello. We're open Monday through Friday till about 5, Saturday till 6, and Sunday till 5. New hours are open longer now, so please come by and say hello and check out all the new stuff that we have available for you here.
Still time to get Christmas presents.
Yes,
there too. Yes. Take a quick tour. All right. Fantastic charcuterie boards.
I'll send it to you.
It's furniture. All locally made. You can even choose the wood that you want. Nice selection of used books in here as well. Musical instruments, cribbage boards, and even, check this out. Skateboards.
No!
Come on down to Ashriver.